Having a dedicated personal developer instance with admin access is the best way to easily test, build, and deploy on the Now platform. You can play around, break and fix things, create new features, or rebuild a capability. It also enables you to practice as an admin and gain the necessary skills and experience for the ServiceNow certification exams. This instance allows you to activate both free and paid plugins with demo data so you can test them before launching them in your corporate instances. You just need to make sure you are actively engaged and regularly log into the instance so you can keep it. If you're not around for some time and the instance is taken away, you can get another free instance anytime. Just don't forget to back up frequently since you don't get the same level of support as your corporate instances.